it will open a Cypress, guys. Now this time we will not select end to end. This time we'll select component because we are testing a local Angular app. Okay. This is like a unit testing. This is used for unit testing. Component. Now it is automatically detected that this is a front-end framework, right? It can support multiple framework like React, Nuxt.js, like how many frameworks we have in JavaScript these days. Ooh. Okay, so the most popular ones are React and Angular. Are you on this page, guys? Then you will say, go slowly. So I'm waiting for you. Select component and then here select Angular. Then next step, make sure that it is a checkbox or ticked for every kind of dependency here. Then continue. And these are the configuration for Cypress. This we have done in end-to-end test also, but for component it is slightly different. Only component.ts, command.ts are coming. One more thing you can see now, for component it's automatically giving you TS option, while for end-to-end it was there for JS, right? JS and TS both. So component does not support JS file because component test Angular or React actually written in TypeScript. And once that is done, you will see now you can select what test to use. Here you can select start component. And now it is saying there is no file which is specifying your cy.ts, right? Because as we said, right, those tests are made for Jasmine, right? Made for Jasmine framework. But here we have a different, I will look into the issues, guys, don't worry. Here we have a different matcher. Here we have files as, here we have files as spec.js, right? So we have to, change the pattern matching. So here you can say update spec pattern. So rather than cy.ts in our cypress.config, I will say that look for spec.cs, spec.ts. So now it will look for the file which we have present in our component spec.ts. So I'll revisit this. You will see that it is coming now, right? The problem is right now it has an issue. Right now it has an issue that this is not supported, right? Because Jasmine has to equal as the assertion, but in Chai.js we have to be equal, right? And now it should work. Now if I select this stat should work, right? The test is working. This is your TS file. So we have to make this change here. And there is one more change in config file, but that is automatically done. Hopefully you guys has done it. Otherwise, this is the cypress.config file. Okay, if you are facing issues now, we can check.